When is the right time to harvest kohlrabi? Well, first, what is kohlrabi? Kohlrabi is part of the brassica family, and it is this weird-looking ball-shaped item on top of a little stalk with a lot of leaves on it. Fun fact, the leaves are 3 times more nutrient dense than the actual bulb itself. But when is the right time to harvest it? It can be really any time. Now, this is a green variety that takes 50 days, 55 days. There's a burgundy variety that can take a little bit longer. What you don't want to do is let this grow to the size of a softball. We have done that. It is just unedible. It's so woody. So smaller is better, even though you may think not. It is better. It has a cabbageous type taste to it. This is what it looks like. And these leaves are pretty much non-edible. They're very dense and woody because it's mature at a younger state. They would be more edible. What can you do with it? What does it taste like? It has a cabbage-like flavor. You can roast it, you can pickle it, you can actually trim it off, cut little slivers on it, and eat it just as it is. Kohlrabi, a unique crop that maybe many of you have not grown, but you might want to consider it for your next gardening season.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.